Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer content briefs with SurferSEO for affiliate pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SurferSEO account. Navigate to the dashboard and look for the content brief option. Click on the Create New Brief button. Input the topic or keyword for your affiliate page in the search bar. Select the preferred location and language settings relevant to your audience. Choose the content type that fits your affiliate page best. Click on the Generate button to create a detailed content brief. Wait for SurferSEO to compile the content brief with relevant guidelines. Once the brief is ready, review the suggested headings and keywords. Adjust the outline as needed to align with your affiliate strategy. Scroll down to analyze the SERP results provided by SurferSEO. Take note of the top ranking pages and their content structure. To transfer your content brief, click on the Export option. Choose the file format that works best for your needs, such as PDF or Google Docs. Download the file or send it directly to your preferred storage solution. Open the exported content brief to ensure everything transferred correctly. Review the content brief for any final adjustments. Use the brief as a guideline while writing your affiliate page content. Make sure to incorporate the suggested keywords and headings for optimal SEO. Keep the content engaging and informative to attract your target audience. Once your content is written, consider revisiting SurferSEO for optimization tips. Now you are ready to publish your affiliate page with SEO-driven content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.